Okay, this video is on how to switch from one quarter to another in Dazzle to make sure your grades show up correctly. So I'm going to go into my teacher gradebook and go into my setup. Now, I've already got, it's the end of first quarter, so I've got a category called first quarter that I'm going to move into a hidden and zeroed category. If you don't have a hidden and zeroed category in your course, you need to make one. This category called hidden and zeroed, I'm going to go ahead and edit the settings, has to have a category total equal to 0 so that when you put anything in there, the emphasis there is that it's zeroed, and then you can hide it as well. So we need to move our things into a hidden and zeroed category. I've already got that set up, so I'm going to go ahead and just move that there. So I just hit the up down button here, and now I'm moving all of first quarter. I've already verified my grades down here. Did I just pass it? I did. There we go. Hidden and zeroed is right there below it. I'm going to click right there on hidden and zeroed right below it. And now there's everything is in my hidden and zeroed. And if I was to look at a student's grade at this point on the student report to see what they would see, they should see nothing because it's all hidden and zeroed. Next, I'm going to go and grab second quarter. And there's my second quarter, and I'm going to hit the move on there, move it out of hidden and zeroed, back up to here, and it's still hidden, so I'm going to go and say show. So now all of second quarter is shown, and down here, just for myself, I'm going to go down here, hidden and zeroed, I'm going to say show. I know this didn't make sense because first quarter was in there, and then I'm going to say hide again, which is going to force everything inside there to be hidden. Now I've got a bunch of stuff in second quarter that obviously we haven't done yet, so if I want to hide all those things, I certainly can. The easiest way to hide everything inside a category is I can go up here to the top of the category and say hide. Now it hid all formative, but if I go down here at the bottom of it where it says the total, I can go and show. And now it basically made the category show with everything inside of it still hidden. I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to hide it. And then I'm going to go down to the summative grade and I'm going to show it. And now if I go and look what a student sees, I'm going to just refresh to this one. They can see the second quarter. There's nothing in any category, so it doesn't show anything yet. But I start off all my kids with 1 point, so he's got a 100% starting off at the beginning of the quarter. I'll have to look at that and see what showed up there. And then that's it. So I've got everything in hidden and zeroed. I highly recommend, I know there's some teachers that are just putting the formative and the summative inside. I would make a category for the quarter. It really helps you out in the end because when I go to my Moodle gradebook and I want to see, by the way, the boxes mean the category total is hidden, so I'm going to undo that. And I want to see what's going on down here. I can look at the end, I can say, okay, here's my second quarter grade, and here's the course total, and we know that that's what uploads on there, and we've already done some things on second quarter. That's why there's some grades already showing up there. Okay, that's it for rolling over from one quarter to another to make sure that your grades are going to be as you want them to be seen by your students.